Okay everyone, welcome to my channel. So guys, today I'm gonna make a combination of necklace, bracelet, and ring, and I'll show you my materials. So these are my materials: a nylon thread, and I'm just going to take one strand of it, and scissor, and also this lock. See the lock, this, and also the assorted beads here. So guys, come and let's get started. So just make a simple design here. I don't want to complicate things. I don't want complicated things. Just a simple style. 5 pieces. See, 5 pieces here, and also here is 5, and the center is gonna round, or so this is it, guys. No need to put a lock on it, just okay. It's already, and that's already done. Look at this. I know, like, I love to wear a ring in here. See this, but it's quite, put it here. So it's already done. See my ring and my bracelet and my necklace. Look at my necklace. So it's already done, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please support my channel, subscribe my YouTube channel, click on the bell icon right there, and you can also comment on the comment box below. Thank you so much, guys, and see you in my next video. Thank you guys so much, and God bless all of you. It's already late night, and I'm still doing my vlog now because I don't have internet, so I just vlog. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. See you guys. Bye.